Have you ever wondered about the hidden beauty that lies within the natural world? Unseen by the naked eye? Through the magic of microscopy, we can unveil the secret architecture of natural elements, revealing a world of magnified light and shadow. Our journey begins with a simple question. What does a grain of sand look like up close? Under the microscope, ordinary sand transforms into a dazzling display of crystalline structures, each facet reflecting light in a unique way. The play of light and shadow highlights the intricate details, revealing the underlying complexity of something we often take for granted. Next, let's explore the delicate structures of a leaf. The veins, the cells, the tiny hairs all become visible, creating a mesmerizing tapestry. Notice how the light filters through the leaf, casting shadows that emphasize its three-dimensional form. This interplay of light and shadow is crucial, giving us a sense of depth and texture that we wouldn't otherwise perceive. What about a snowflake? These ephemeral masterpieces are renowned for their unique symmetrical designs. Under the microscope, we can witness the intricate patterns formed by ice crystals, each one a testament to the laws of nature. The magnified light and shadow dance across the surface of the snowflake, revealing its delicate beauty before it inevitably melts away. Finally, let's consider the vibrant world of a flower. The petals, the pollen grains, the intricate details of the reproductive structures, all are brought into sharp focus. The play of light and shadow accentuates the curves and textures of the flower, allowing us to appreciate its beauty in a whole new light. These are the kinds of details we miss without the help of magnification. Through the lens of the microscope, we gain a new appreciation for the hidden architecture of natural elements. It is a world of magnified light and shadow, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. So, the next time you encounter a natural element, remember the secret world that lies within, waiting to be discovered.